Hey guys, this is Saif Ghanizada. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to turn on the Hyper-V feature of Windows 10. For this tutorial, I will be using a new virtual machine which I have created. Okay, when you are logged into your Windows 10, go to Control Panel by opening Run, typing Control, and then hit Enter. And the second way is that if you have enabled Control Panel shortcut on your desktop, double click on the control panel. From the category, you have to select large icons so that you can find the program and features easily. Click on the program and features. Now, if you want to enable the Hyper-V, you need to choose this option here, turn Windows feature on or off. Click on this option. From the menu, you need to find Hyper-V, which is here. Expand the Hyper-V menu, select the Hyper-V, and then click OK button. Windows completed the requested changes, which means that Hyper-V is enabled. Click the close button. Now you need to restart your Windows. Now, let's check if the Hyper-V is enabled or not. Open the Start menu, scroll down and find the Windows Administrative Tools folder. Expand the folder. Here you can see the two options, Hyper-V Manager and Hyper-V Quick Create is enabled, which means that we have successfully enabled the Hyper-V. If the video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you face any problem during enabling the Hyper-V, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.